What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And well, it looks like we have more production issues at the Jeep plant, specifically in Toledo. Now, I got this information yesterday, but I had already, we bombarded the news yesterday. We had to go all the way in. I don't want to overload you guys with videos. More on that as we get to the end of the video. I have a couple ideas we're going to discuss. But, yeah. Stellantis short on parts. I don't know if it's not paying suppliers or suppliers not being able to keep up with the demand, but I have some email on how many days they're going to be shut down and how many shifts are temporarily laid off. So let's get into it. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and we're going to get into directly some of the voicemails and other stuff that's been sent to employees at the Toledo Assembly Plant. So the first one that came in, I got this from an employee this morning. Hello, this is the Toledo Assembly Complex. Today is September 16th, 2024. Please listen to this message in its entirety. Second shift JL production is canceled for tonight, September 16th, 2024. It is the 17th. The following areas are to report. Attention JL body shop is scheduled to work tonight. Attention JL paint shop, repair is to report. The remainder of the JL paint is not scheduled to work. Attention JL assembly, repair, and team leaders are to report. The remainder of JL assembly is not scheduled to work. Attention JL and JT, MLM, all those new 66Cs in training, and those who previously were in training are still to report for training. JL, MLM, part chasers, and Department 3381, Team 301, and 302 is still to report as well. The remainder of MLM are not to report unless otherwise notified. Attention, Department 9590, repair is scheduled to work tonight. Attention, TPTs, all TPTs are not scheduled to report. Now, this was a automated robo voice message that went out to employees yesterday. And then, we got, so it looks like JT, first and second shift assembly and paint are laid off starting Monday. It's now Tuesday. For 1 week, so these are supposed to be temporary layoffs, they claim. No mass number as of yet, just got a robocall, quality, MLM, and repair still scheduled. So these are two different employees that are sending me information, one via email, one sending me the actual voicemail that's transcribed. Then I got this in as of this morning, JL part shortage. They're missing wire harnesses. Actually, those Jeeps might be better without those wiring harnesses. Oh my God. First shift sent home early today, Monday. Second shift got the robocall to stay home, supposed to be off Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe Friday. Again, it literally comes to mismanagement. I can't stress this enough when it comes to Carlos Tavares, the CEO of Stellantis. I understand that he has 14 brands. I understand that he has these people, these paper tiger CEOs that run their company, run these individual brands, but they have no real authority. Everything goes through Carlos Tavares. And if Carlos is going to say, oh, well, we just didn't have enough parts, then that's a mismanagement on your end. You should 100% have enough parts to be able to manufacture vehicles, unless you're doing it on purpose to try to cut down on labor costs. We're not dumb. I see this in the automotive industry and companies doing this to try to cut back on the number of days and hours and how much they pay in labor. And I got to be honest, it's just ridiculous, man. If you don't want the contract, if you don't think you as a company can afford the contract, then don't sign the damn contract. This isn't rocket science here. But anyways, just some breaking news about the Jeep plant being shut down. I just saw it get posted over on Mopar Insiders as well. And I apologize. You know, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon for me on a Tuesday, and I'm getting this up for you guys right away. I just bombarded you with news yesterday, so it's like, I didn't want to drop another video at like 1:30 in the morning for you guys to be like, what the F, TK? Speaking on that, do you guys like the shorter videos where I just give you the news on a specific subject, or should I continue to do that and then maybe at the end of the day give you a long video with all the news from all the automotive stuff that day? I'd love to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let me know if you like the shorter clips like this. I'm still going to do those, but if you also want one long video where, you know, it's 15 or 20 minutes of talking about all the different news from that day, like this plant being shut down and this going on, let me know in the comments. Anyways, until next time, thank you guys very much for watching, and as always, stay petty, my friends.